What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Solana as well as Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance. Usually I would go over Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance in my ADA videos, but ADA has just been so extremely boring that I don't think I'm going to do it today. So guys, we're sitting at 196. We're down about 3.5 on the day. Looks like we may be coming back down to a key level of support. We're sitting on market cap of 59 billion, 24-hour volume 4.08 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what to do. If you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. It's my favorite app for investing. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 1 hour chart, guys. Now, if you see us lose the 55 EMA, do target 189, which is the previous swing high. The previous swing high is sitting at about 192, but we do have some structural support at 189. Now, I have put in some buy zones here. Me and many of the members of the Discord, we dollar cost average trade on low leverage or spot trading. So I'm currently in Sol right now, and I have buy limit set at 189, 179, and 170. So if Sol does pull back, now I'm not saying it's going to pull all the way back to all these buy limits, but each buy limit that gets hit, it brings down the liquidation. You go into the trade with more margin, and the most important thing, it brings down your entry price. So let's say my buy limit gets hit at 189. Now my entry price is at 193. We bounce and I'm in green pretty quickly, and I ride the impulsive wave back up. It's my favorite method of trading. I have not lost a trade in over 2 months, guys. So it's been really effective for me as well as members of the Discord. Quick shout out to the Discord. If you want access to this trading strategy, it is sitting right here, dollar DCA trade strategy. You can see right here. It's the price of a coffee to sign up to the Discord. Not only do you get the strategy, but we have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And it's literally $3.50 USD. So you really can't beat it, guys. I think I charge the least out of almost all crypto YouTubers. So just so everybody can get involved. Wow, Shiba's up 20%. Shiba. All right, guys, somebody's calling me right now. Oh, just a moment, guys. 1 second. Hello, I'm currently making a crypto video. Can I call you back? Okay, thanks. Bye-bye. It was my mama. All right, guys. So, guys, if we do lose the 55, do target 189 as your strong level of support here for Solana. If we jump over to the daily time frame, I don't know how I didn't notice this pattern before, but why are you calling me again? But we have an ascending triangle. Your target's up here at 224 Sol, and then we do have those future price targets. What you do is you take your Fibonacci here and you go from swing high down to swing low, and that gives you your future price targets, guys. The 1.272 at 256, and then you have the 1.618 up at 319 here for Solana. Right, guys, quickly look at Bitcoin. So we can see here on the hourly chart, we've had a little bit of sell-off. We're underneath the EMAs, but we've had a bullish divergence. We created a lower low, we created a higher low on the RSI, signifying the bears can be losing strength here. So we may see a bounce back to the upside. Now, we're not seeing a lot of volume. So if we were to lose this level of support, do target 57666. You can see we perfectly came down to the level of support I had dropped in earlier at 59888. Previous level of support right here. If we scroll back on the chart, just going to pop over in the 4 hour, guys. Hope you guys are well. You can see that was a previous level of resistance, and now it's acting as support for Bitcoin. If we jump over into, actually I want to jump into the daily time frame, it's healthy for us to be having this pullback. We needed it, guys. Look at all this green. We were pumping really hard. We're getting overextended from the EMAs, so now we're coming back down to the 20. So it's beautiful to see Bitcoin doing this. We're not seeing too harsh of a correction just yet, which is a good sign of continuation. If we can create a strong level of support at 59.8, allow the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles, we're looking strong for continuation. We come up and we break our all-time high, and we're on our way to 81K. There will be some resistance along the way, but that is your next target on the Fibonacci, guys. If we look at Bitcoin dominance here, pretty much the exact thing that I was predicting has happened. We just didn't make it all the way up to the neckline. I was predicting that we would come up to the neckline and we would get rejected and we would see alts start to absolutely explode. But you can see here, we came up to this level of resistance and we've already got rejected. Now, that doesn't mean we won't see a bounce and come up to this neckline, but if you see us start to lose the EMAs here, that's a really good sign for alts. We lose the 20, we lose the 55, Bitcoin dominance falls. That means more money money is pouring into the altcoins. A lot of FOMO is coming into the market, and it's just getting started, guys. So get ready for more explosive gains, in my opinion. So let's finish off the video here for Solana. Do target 189 as your level of support. If that support was lost, guys, do target 179. You can put some buy limits here if you'd like to. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. All right, guys. And then we also have this ascending triangle. We had that inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. That target had already been met here. So do target 220, which is the target from our ascending triangle, and will break our previous all-time high for Solana. All right, that's pretty much it. You can check out the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. Follow me on Instagram if you'd like to, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Much love.